म्हजें नांव विक्रम गायतोंडे. हांव मडगांवचोच, हांगचोच रेजिडेंट. सरा कडेन हांव एक सॉंग करता, हिंदी मॅशअप. सो तो म्हाका गायड करता सर. खूब हेल्प केली सरान म्हाका, मदत जाली खूब. आनी पासियस घेवन म्हजे कडल्यान करून घेतलें आनी खुबशें शिकयलें जें म्हाका फुडें बऱ्याक पडटलें सिंगिंगान. क्लासिकल सिंगींग करता आनी तातूंत सराचें हें एक्सपिरियन्स म्हाका खूब फुडाराक बऱ्याक पडटलें.
My name is Roshan Naik. I know Vikram since school time, and it was a great experience. And I heard his song first time. It was awesome.
So the song is also like gives a good flavor, like it's a funky style. So yeah, it's good.
And I wish Vikram a very best of luck for his video.
Well, no, I just want to thank Rishabh, which is you. You have done a absolutely great job, and Sir Buyao, and do watch my video.